What's up, OG Squad, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple logo. And just keep in mind that not by any means am I a graphic designer, but I do try my best to make these tutorials. Also, if you enjoy the video or do find it helpful, then please do hit that like button and subscribe with post notifications on if you're new to the channel. And the OG Squad shoutouts should be on screen right now. And with all that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So first, you're going to want to press that camera logo and select plain images. And you're going to want to select that black background, and you're going to want to go to color. Now set all the knobs to 0, and that should make it the darkest color. Next, you're going to want to click that share button up there. Next, just click on the screen and it should be an add text button. And next, you're just going to add the text that you want. I use MXOG because that's usually what I put in my logo. And then you're just going to want to put it where you want. You can add some tilt, you can resize it. Then after that, you're going to want to click that share button. And remember to save it as a PNG. Next, we're going to go to Pixar, and you want to click that plus button down below. Once you click that, select the image that we just made, and then go to add photo. Also remember to select an image that is bright enough so that it can be seen in the background. Next, resize it so that it covers the text, and then hit overlay and use multiply. After that, just hit apply, and then next, and then save it, and then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end of the video, and if you really did enjoy the video or found it helpful, please do hit that like button and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me, and until next time, peace out.